This is Jason, and I will be talking about how not to handle the customer, a talkative customer. Phone rings. Jason, me, the customer support service. NTC Help Desk, this is Jason speaking. Customer, hi Jason, this is Stacy. Hey, how do you install Microsoft Office on your computer? Doesn't NTC provide it for free to us? Jason, yes they do. I can walk you through it. Stacy, awesome. Thank you. Jason, so if you go to NTC homepage and go to Student Portal in the top right corner of the screen, click on that and it should take you to another page where you can find a bunch of useful links. Stacy, yep, I see my NTC, email, and Canvas. Jason, sweet, so if you click Access Email under Email for me please, it will take you to your email. Stacy, okay, I'm on my email. Jason, on the top left of the screen of your email, do you see Office 365? Click on that, please. Once you click on that, you should see Apps and Search at the top of the screen. Stacy, yep, I see Search on the right side of the screen. Jason, yep, right under Search, you should see Install Office Apps. Click on that drop-down box and click the first one, Office 2016. Once you click that, it should start downloading. Okay, it looks like it's downloading for me. Jason, you will have to run the application to start downloading Office. Stacy, I have the Office screen up and with the progress bar going. Jason, sweet, the download process will just be a moment before it finishes. Stacy, are you a student here at NTC? Jason, yes, I currently am and I'm going for a computer support specialist. Stacy, nice, that is cool. That's what my boyfriend's going for. I'm going for nursing and I really enjoy it. My mom is a nurse and I look up to her. That is very cool that you do. Stacy, yeah, we get along great. Don't have to keep asking questions about the customer. Jason, you are not going to believe it. My mom is also a nurse. Stacy, where does your mom work? Jason, my mom works at Aspirus in Wausau. Where does your mom work? And in the meantime, the download finishes. Stacy, no way, my mom works at the same place. My last name is Nelson. What is your last name? Jason, my last name is Engel. I will have to ask my mom if she knows your mom. Stacy, really, I met your mom before at the hospital. I have an internship there and I'm getting some experience for school, so I have a better understanding of what I'm getting into when I get a full-time job. Jason, that is very smart to do. You're on top of it. Where did you go to high school? Stacy, I went to Wausau East. What about you? Jason, I went to Medford, about 45 minutes away from Wausau. Hey, do you know a guy named Brian Lemmer? He went to East School. Stacy, yes, I do. He's the same age as me. I graduated with him. How do you know him? Jason, I met him at college living at the UWMC dorms, and I got to know him very well. We hang out a lot doing a bunch of things like rollerblading, biking, running, and downhill skiing. Stacy, I love to rollerblade and downhill ski. Would you want to go sometime? Jason, I would love to. It's always a great time skiing with people. Stacy, I would talk to Brian too. Jason, hey, how is the download going on your Office? Stacy, it is almost done. It is done already. Jason, awesome. We will get that all set up for you so you can use it. Stacy, it is finished installing. Jason, you can open up Word and on the top right corner you can click sign in. You will use your NTC email to log in. Stacy, logging in right now. It looks like it worked. Thank you. Jason, good to hear. Is there anything else I can do to help? Stacy, no, everything is all good. Jason, have a nice day. Bye. Stacy, bye. And a brief summary of this. For this script, the support staff went off topic with the customer and was not focusing on the project that he was helping out with. The phone call could have got done a lot sooner than what happened. Once you get off topic, it's hard to get back to where you started with because your mind is off and not thinking about the download. So you should stay focused with what you're doing and manage the conversation. So you can hang up, finish the problem, and uh, answer the next phone calls just so that the phone lines are still available and that they're not, the customer doesn't have to be waiting for the phone call to get done. Thank you. Bye.